Hi YouTube, this is Cameron Simpson from CS Trades 101. How are you today? I'm doing awesome. Thanks for asking. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor or broker. This is for entertainment purposes only. Yeah, we got an interesting morning this morning. Wow, this is crazy. Beginning like before stock market opens, pre-market here, we were sitting at $12.39. We're in the green already, $2.57. Sorry, I'm laughing because we are getting so close right now. Be prepared because this week it could happen. Okay. We're going to go over some information why I think that. And yeah, and then we'll branch off from there. I'm just going to, as usual, just give me a second to set up everything here. And we will jump on into the market and have a look here. Just gonna turn that down and mess with this one over here. And so hopefully you had a good weekend this weekend. I did. I would like to get out camping, but it didn't happen. Would you guys do? Drop me a chat. Anything interesting there? Oh, you gotta love cell phones. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, what happened was I did go out. I went to we have a farmer's market here. I went out and did that stuff and on. But yeah, enough about that. You probably don't want to hear about my personal life. You're on here for stock market stuff. So let's have a look at what's going on here. I do have some after-hour charts coming up. Just give me a couple days. I just ordered the stuff. I just got to wait a couple days for it to come. And we're gonna have access to after hours through what is it? Through Yahoo Finance, actually. So we're gonna have two scanners we're gonna be using. Like I said, I was testing out a couple of different other ones. They're crap. Okay. Okay, so anyways, the market is opening up in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. We are going to see a substantial rise today. I kind of know that for a fact. We're getting a lot of hype on this stock here, AMC. That's what we're covering. Our main is AMC because we are heading into a squeeze. I'm not going to say potential anymore. The numbers are out there, and this is what we've been waiting for. So, yeah. So come on, market. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at those. We do have one thing. There's a whack of shares at $12.45, 13,400 shares that are going to dump on the market here. That should not affect us. It'll drop it a bit, but not much. Okay, market just opened. We dropped. Oh, here she goes. $2. We're going to crank right up right away. You have to remember we are dumping stuff onto the market right now from all these trading platforms. I go through this all the time. But just for people that are new and passing through, that's what I mean. So let's have a look here. We had a pretty good buy-in after hours here. Okay, stop messing around with stuff, Cameron. Okay, so what we had 300,000 or 3 million shares were bought over that was probably over the weekend. They were stockpiling. And sorry, I was a little bit late setting up the software last night. I actually forgot because of the weekend and stuff. And yeah, actually stuff happens. I got a little bit sidetracked here. I was working on some computer software through the whole week, trying to get rid of the lag on my voice here. So every time I speak, that was about a half a second to a second behind. It was really irritating me, so I got that fixed now. Okay, we're going to put the coffee over here, though, because I will dump it all over the keyboard. Guaranteed. That is good. That is good stuff. That is coffee creamer with cappuccino mix with ground Starbucks coffee beans. Oh, is it good? I think I nailed it too. I've been working on that for about a week now. So I'm just gonna put a chat out here. Just gonna fire a chat out here, guys. If you want me to cover any other stocks, I will bouncing through stuff right now. Okay, so anyways, we'll jump on in here. $12.20. We're at nine. We're bouncing between 1 and 2. Like we're doing a bit of a everything's selling, everything's buying. Okay, so let's just let these platforms level out here. We're actually going to jump over to. We're going to jump over to GME here. GME. Ew. A little bit red today. They were doing not bad through the week, though. They were a little bit ahead of AMC there for a while, right? They seem to run together, but it looks like AMC is doing a bit of a breakout right now. And what I have been watching is, I'm just going to blow this up here. Yeah, they keep on testing these lines out right here about around this range, about the 190 something. That's what they need to get up to, 185. So what we will do is we're going to cover, let's hang on a second here. I think there's something wrong with the feed here. Give me a second. Live in 24 hours. Are you kidding me? Oh, maybe I set the timer wrong. That's why nobody's joining us here today. Sorry about that. That's what happens when you're up too late at night. I think it said in 24 hours from now. I don't know if I'm right on that or what, but it is what it is. People know what time we start. So, welcome Wolfpack, and we are going to jump back over to AMC here. So, let's have a look here. I wanted to check out some stuff. Okay, we need to get past that $14.50. This is the huge catalyst that we need to smash through. If we get through this, it's sky's the limit. Okay, we punched through it once after hours. It looks like so we can do it again today, guys. We're already at whoa. I just took my eyes off the screen. We bounced up like 1% already. Yeah, see, these platforms are dumping right now. And once they dump, things will level out and it'll be actual buyer against each other, right? Seller and buyer. Okay, so I want to go over some news. About Wana. Chinese thing, you probably heard it all over the news. They dumped a bunch of shares in, and that was all making sense then, because I was wondering why we got this huge dump. Like, look at, oh, I put it on the minute. Come on, get your shit together this morning, Cameron. Okay, what's going on here? What have I done now? Okay, so we'll put this on the 1 minute chart. I might have to blow this one up, guys. Yeah, I don't know what I did. Anyways. Weird. Weird. Just give me a second here. You gotta love software. Wow. Really? There we go. Stupid thing. I'll fix that later on. I hate this platform to some reason, some ways. It's just junk. So, anyways, I won't be able to mess with the symbols until I get that figured out. So, anyways, let's go back here a bit here. This is what I want to cover. We're almost hitting $2 or 2.65% right now. I just want to cover that this is where things were not making sense. We potentially almost got into a gamma squeeze here, but those bastards at Wana dumped a whole bunch of shares on the market. Okay. And that's what happened. It drove the price down here. Okay. This is what happened. It was not making sense to me. Not at all. Because we had such a good run right here. It bought in, right? And it went up. And then all of a sudden we had this poof, this dump. And it was not making sense. There's a whole bunch of Go shares, synthetic shares. So Wolfpack, listen very clear on this. We are potentially going to hit a gamma squeeze this week, okay? There is so many shares, 40,000 shares expiring in huge numbers, calls, puts, okay? That, if they can't deliver, will set off a gamma squeeze, will turn into a short squeeze, okay? I'm 100% on this, okay? I'm not 100% on the date. I'm 100% on how it works. The catastrophic, how it starts and then it will just take right off. Okay. If they can't deliver, the price goes through the roof. They have to cover it. Okay. It's going to get attention from the SEC. Okay. SACC, senor. But yeah, that's what's going to happen. Okay. Wow. We're at $12.47. Whoa, she's climbing. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I just warned you guys about this. Okay, we are going to see some serious stuff this week or up to the middle of next week. So if you don't have I'm going to repeat this and repeat this and repeat this and repeat this. There's 3 things you must do if you want to be successful in your trades. Okay, anybody on the planet can verify this with me. Okay. It's not common knowledge. Well, it's common knowledge, but you got to think outside the box because people get, it's squeezing. You get paper hands and everybody's freaking out and stuff. You got to stay calm, okay? And you got to set your sell limits for this and GME. Take them off the table completely. Set it infinity, okay? I know that everybody's like, Cameron, you keep on mentioning this. I don't want to hear this anymore. I don't want to see anybody get screwed, okay? So take your sell limits off if you own this stock here, okay, guys? Okay, let's blow this up. Let's get into it because we are getting up there now. This is beautiful. I would love to see us get up to $14.60 today. That would be an awesome day to close, okay? Like I said, we've got some very good media attention. Wanna dumped a whole bunch of shares on the market. And yeah, it's messed things up a bit. But it's okay. They were snapped right up and it really didn't do anything. Look at it did take us out of a potential gamma squeeze though. Okay. It did. Okay. So it looks like we got a little bit more selling power here on the charts here, which it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean any sense because you have to remember, this is what I'm assuming, that there's over 40 million synthetic shares, ghost shares, whatever you want to call them, fake, fraudulent. Okay, we are coming up. As you probably know this, but there's a lot of new people that have joined our channel, that there is a share count on the 2nd. Okay, that could potentially, and I know it probably will, start a gamma squeeze. Okay, and it will turn into a short squeeze. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. I got this set for the wrong time. What a head I am sometimes. Yeah, what a head. I can't believe I did that. But it is what it is. That's what me and computers don't get along. That's why you'll see me freaking up a couple lots once in a while on here. So, wow, we're flirting with 4% right now. We're just touching her. Wow. This is good. This is so good for a Monday. Oh, yes. Yes, we just hit 4. Didn't I call that? We're getting close, guys. So take those sell limits off. The other thing, I have all my software here and I just all revamped it. Okay. I got multiple, I got 1, 2, 3, laptop, computer, 2 cell phones. I'm going to be sending out that SOS pretty soon. Okay. Have your phones activated on. And if you don't want me to because I put a substantial amount of channels out there, or put a lot of podcasts out there. Some people are like, damn it, this guy has another podcast out there, and it's on how to do stocks. I know how to do stocks. I don't need to know this stuff. So you shut it off, okay? Which is understandable. I do the same thing on podcasts if I don't want to hear the same thing. And I release a substantial amount, probably twice as much as most podcasters. Most podcasters will release 1 to 2 videos a week, okay? And that's a lot. Sometimes one video every 2 weeks when they get established high up with 1 million subscribers. So I'm just going to stop for a second, then I'll go back to that. $12.64. We are now trading at 4.30%. It has doubled since we just talked last. Yeah. Okay, we've already gone through 7.57 million. We got a ton of friggin' volume coming in here today. Holy creep. There's lots. Look at the volume just coming in here. We've only been open for a bit. Yeah! We've already turned 1.72% of the whole friggin' company over, and that's with synthetic shares. Wow, this is crazy. I'm loving this. If you guys hold stock, and I know that after this records, a lot of people watch it too. A lot of people watch more after hours than when it records. I understand a lot of people are getting back to work now. Hey, I don't care. It's all good. I put that stuff out there and it's in the archive. You can watch it 10 years down the road if you want. It'd be outdated, but yeah. So that's the thing, right? So now that I read this, we are going to jump into rule number 2. The rule number 2 with AMC, we are going to be hitting a gamma squeeze. There's 2 different things that are going to happen. Okay, I'm not a frigging genius here. I can't predict, and even if I know in my own mind, I will not broadcast it. Okay, so just because it's I don't like to put fake information out there, and if I am wrong, just drop me a check. I will own it. I got wide shoulders, okay, and I will go public all over the world and say that I'm wrong. Okay, I don't have an issue with that. But the second thing is, look at that go, yeah. The second thing is with the sell order, take your high sell order. Down on the bottom, you can do whatever you want, but be careful because this thing dips, okay? When in a squeeze, if you look in past history, just Google it on squeezes, okay? It'll dip down like 10%, 20%, 10%. I wouldn't say 20. 20 is quite a bit, but it'll dip. It's like it dips. It goes like this. Sorry, I'll do it side. It dips, and then it'll go up to the next level, and then it'll dip and go up to the next level, okay? Because people will be selling along the way, especially when this thing hits even numbers like 20, 40, 50, 100, 200, okay? Because people didn't take their sell limits off, their upper end. You got to remove those. Well, you don't have to do anything. You can do whatever you want, but I'm giving you a heads up. I want to hear the stories on there. People getting rich. I want to see people buying houses. And no, it's not everybody's like, Cameron, you blow this way out. No, man. If you have a substantial amount of shares in there, you're going to be rich. There's no doubt about it. Okay. The second is Wolfpack, boys and girls, apes, whatever group you are, we're all one now because we have the same goals. Okay. Is to screw over the hedgies, okay, and to make money in our pocket, okay. I feel for the people in 2008 and the people that took their lives, like, over that. That is very sad, and that is what part of it, why I'm doing it. You might have your own reasons, okay. I'm a little vindictive when it comes to that stuff. Payback, okay. Just because those guys ruined a lot of people's lives. That's the only way I'm vindictive. I'm not vindictive in any other ways, just in that aspect, okay. What you sow, what you reap is what you sow. That's what I believe in. Okay, so we're going to AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're sitting at $12.57. We are plus 4%, 3.84%. I'm just checking my portfolio out on the left side because I know a lot of you copied it verbatim. I'm trying not to pull it off of AMC right now because it could go into a squeeze today. We don't know, okay? There's a lot of options expiring today, okay? There's like 40 million, I think, in the next week. I think so. I'm gonna have to check on that. Oh, okay. Doge is doing a bit of a go. 8.72% is at 0.33. I was going to buy some more, but I'm having problems with. Hey, Anybody on here buy Doge? That what platform do you use, and how long does it take to transfer? Because I will open up a platform yesterday. And I tried putting money in, and all of a sudden I got it all set up, and they say it's going to take a week. Well, no, I don't operate like that. So I have debit cards, credit cards. Yeah, we're not going to get into that. I don't like bragging, and I'm not bragging because there's people that are way more better than me. I'm just a normal guy, okay? But I like to have, when I pay for something, I like to buy it and have it in front of me, right? So anybody use any trading platforms? For Doji only, I don't want any other crypto. That's the only one I want, okay? Because I've been watching it. What do you use is the big question, and how fast does it take to transfer your funds over, okay? That's what I need to know. If you want to hit me a chat, would be frigging awesome. Okay, so okay, GameStop came up a bit. We're at 178.72%. We're at 1.24 in the green. This is what we want to see. What we see. Okay, we almost got a $500,000 worth of volume pumped through there, and 0.68. They're nowhere near the amount of volume that AMC is doing. Okay, I am gonna put it on Doge because she is doing a bit of a go here. Once it hits 10%, I call it a run. Okay, a rip run. Okay, anything below that, it's just good luck, okay? That's just the way I call, so you'll get to my terminology here. Ooh, look at that test level. Ooh, that's Jesus. If that would have locked in and I couldn't have my trading platform, or I didn't know anything on it, like couldn't get my funds into it, I used Coinbase. That's one that I use, Coinbase, and it seems not to be working well for me. I'm going to have to contact them, but I'm very not impressed, and I might do a podcast, which I don't like slamming businesses down because it does mess their volume up a little bit. Not that I'm anybody, right? I'm just saying it just gets out there. A lot of people watch videos. So that would be a good buy at 0.24%, because this stuff is pretty much almost half price. It's 3/4 off right now, right? The way I look at it. So let's get back up to baby AMC. Yeah, so AMC is the ticker symbol, Entertainment Holdings, movie chain, one of the biggest in the world now. I heard Adam say it the other day live. Okay, so they are the biggest in the world now. We've already, Toledo's 10.34 million. We've already traded in 20 or 19 minutes. Okay, we've almost got a quarter more than we usually do. This is what we need. Okay. And the thing I wanted to emphasize, remember I was going through this. I'm just doing it in steps because we're hitting 5% now, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Wolfpack, we are going to do that $14 today. Okay? Pretty close to it. Okay? This is good. So people are internalizing that news that happened on the weekend. Okay? With Aaron on there and on I forget what news station it was, but he broadcasted live. They are so far out of debt, and the share count, they do not want, when they have fake shares, synthetic shares on the market, it screws over the company big time. They don't get residual effects from that. They don't get money from that. They don't get the perks from that. It really hurts them, same as it hurts us. See, we wouldn't know that unless, wow. I'm just blown away how good this is doing. We are so those companies have pretty much done their dump now. All the trading platforms like Webull, TD, Wealth Symbol Trades, all those zero commission platforms have pretty much done their dump already. So this is just retail investors trading right now. Okay. And so yeah, what I was going to get to is, if you're new here and you haven't done it already, you might want to hit the sub button right down below, because I'm going to be putting an SOS out any day. SOS buy, okay? What I mean like that, it's going up, okay? SOS, that's what it's going to say right on the thing. SOS in big red letters with the yellow background so you can see it, the thumbnail from a mile away. It's going to say SOS squeeze. That means if you see that, you might want to open up. It's going to be a very short video because I'm just blasting it out there. It could be 15 to 30 seconds long, and that's when we're in a squeeze. I'm not going to put gamma squeeze. I'm not going to get right into detail. Squeeze is a squeeze, okay? If it's in a gamma squeeze, that will turn into a full squeeze, a short squeeze. Okay, wow. This is crazy. We're at $12.70 right now. So the only way you can get that is from the sub button, my friends, okay? I'm not doing it just to build subs. I want to see you, because I'm doing pretty good right now as far as I'm concerned. That I didn't even expect this much. So what it is I want to see you all get ahead. I want to see those emails. I do get emails once in a while with people that have changed their lives. Like one guy went and got some new teeth, right? Off of one of the stocks. I forget what it was. I think it was Doji that he bought, but yeah, he went and sold and got a whole nest set of teeth, man. It almost put tears in my eyes, and I do have lots of emotions, right? I'm a really emotional kind of guy to some degree. Wow, we're touching on the almost 6% now. Look at this go. Damn. Okay, this is where I'm actually going to, oh, you bastards. Okay, I can't read that, but I'm going off a limb here. Oh, you're going to do this to me, aren't you? I can't do it. Sorry, I got to fix this chart, and I'm not going to do it right now because with my past history and my luck, because I know myself, I'm going to mess up this whole platform, okay? So we're not going to do any lines. So what I was going to do is at the 1450 is what we want to get to. 1450 is our line today, ladies and gentlemen, and that would be right in there. If we smash through that 1450, the rest is potentially is going to cause a gamma squeeze, okay? Especially if I got to reword that. If we get to 1450 and it drops down right away, no. I'm not talking about that. If we get to 1450 and that becomes our new support level and we bounce off it a couple times, like with some, there's a lot of things that can happen. A heads and shoulders, W, double touch bottom. That stuff, if it does that, that is a huge, those are indicators. And that's cream of the crop stuff. Okay. That means we've locked in. Okay. And we need the volume. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Go. Wow. I'm glad I bought more shares the other day on Friday. Wow. We got a good deal on them too. What was it at? It was about 12, just over $12. I was very happy with it. So we're up to 1,000, I think, in 3,003 shares, which is pretty good, especially when you have to pay. I have to pay more than most of you guys do for them. The conversion, right? So, which I don't care. It doesn't matter. This is all for a good cause. We're donating 3/4 of it. And like I told you, a quarter, sorry, I'll reword that correction because I'm putting some at the Cancer Lodge too, where my wife was when she got cancer, right? She's still alive. She's in remission, but that's not the point. We're going to do it all on GoPro. Okay. We're going to go down to the Animal Society here where I live and we're going to actually donate. We're going to pull up my truck with a frigging whole back full of food, some dry food, and we're going to unload it and they're going to trip. Watch. Scout's honor. Okay. And even if I get ahead and this doesn't, I'm not even going to talk like that because I already know. I'm not going to sit out there and I don't do fear mongering. That is not part of this program. We do not do fear mongering. I do not do that. It's not fair to you guys. Okay. So, the wolf pack, me, myself, and I, look at this. I want to show you something here. Look at this. This is what happens when there's synthetic and false shares out there. Okay. Look at this. Okay. See this? Doesn't make sense, does it? We're climbing here, right? We've almost touched the friggin' top here. Doesn't make sense. That's an order book level 2. Okay. Like that's bad. Okay. So it's BS. Okay. So what they're doing is they're trying everything they can to drive this down, but the algorithm is not picking it up. Okay. Because they're just speed trading. And I know I keep on saying that, but that's true. It's so true. Even Aaron Adams was talking about that. Most of it was about ghosts and synthetic shares that he was talking about. I'm pretty sure you guys watch the same program, right? So he's very confident. He wants this baby to squeeze. Okay, I don't think legally he can say that, but in his words, you can tell. You can read between the lines. I know you're very educated, the people on here, or else you wouldn't be watching stocks. Okay. Mostly only educated people watch this stuff, okay? Because they're like, whoa, what's the green, red? Green means go, red means stop. Like, you know what I mean? And that's coinciding with some of the people I know. And I'm not putting people down. People have their own niches and stuff in life, right? So yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What are we banging on here? Anything? No, nah. I was just checking to see if we had some new chat here. So this is what right here it's hitting now. 1990. We're eating those shares up right now. There's 4. See, There's a lot of shares. And when it says 41,000 shares, that's not most likely one person. Okay. That's like a lot. Okay. And it's not a retailer. I could be wrong, but this is just over past what I've been doing this for a little bit now. I've been doing this for a couple of years now. This is a stockpile, okay, ready to go at that price. Okay, it doesn't mean that one person owns that. No, that's not how it works. Okay, these are put into a system and then they're dispersed. Okay, and that's why you'll see it chunk through slowly. It won't go all of a sudden 41,000 shares gone. Okay, it just went up to 43.55. Okay. And that's so what this will do is it'll stagnate a bit. It's not going to drive it down. Not with this much volume coming in. There's no way it's going to happen. It's not going to happen. Okay? It's not going to happen. Bear with me. I'm messing around with stuff now. Oh, I'll leave that alone, actually. Do. I hope everybody had a beautiful weekend, because I did. It was really good, relaxing. I got a bunch of software issues worked out. I did an educational video. If you guys seen it on stocks, it's down in archives or up in playlists under stock charts. If you guys don't want me to make that stuff, then can you put a comment, or actually rate me an email, cstrades101@gmail.com. If you don't want me to do the stock chart anymore on weekends, like putting education on there, how to read charts, different symbols and stuff, I'm going to stop doing it. Okay. I need to get some feedback on this though, because if you want me to keep on doing it, I will. We're only like a 16th of the way through. There's like 42 symbols and a whole bunch of other stuff, charts and stuff. So we are hitting at $12.91 right now, 6.848, almost. It's going up too fast. I can't even broadcast it. Okay. Try this again. It is sitting at $12.95 right now. It is positive 6.95. Okay, it just changed again. I can't keep up to it, and that's in a good way. It's now in the 7.6. We're getting a amount of volume pounding in here right now is insane. Okay, and that, you know, that level that we were talking about, that $12.90. I said that it wouldn't drive it down. It didn't. It gobbled it up like nothing. Okay. There's a lot of people buying this right now. We got a substantial amount of volume coming in. We've already overturned 3.5% of the company. Okay, all the shares that are out there. Okay, I'm not talking like shares I own and stuff like that. You understand, right? I just want to be clear on that. So this is awesome. Wolfpack, new people passing through. Thank you, man, for coming in and checking us out and stuff. We were just going through some stuff. I'm going to keep on going over this until this thing squeezes. You might get fed up with this information. Take your sell limits off the high end. Watch what you do on the bottom end. Okay. At least set it for a 50. This is what I do, a 15 to 20%. I don't even have one on the bottom, because if it drops, it drops, right? If it hits a wave and goes like this and all your stuff sells off, you just shot yourself in the foot. Okay. Wow, we're going to bang off 8 here. $13. Well, what did I call? I'm going to rate that down. Oh, somebody's had birthday today. I just got it on. Deanna, happy birthday today. Happy birthday. So 8. Wow, 8%. This is good. We could squeeze this week, ladies and gentlemen, Wolfpack. We could definitely squeeze. We're going to bang off 10% or 9% pretty soon. This could turn into a gamma squeeze. I told you those options are expiring, right? And that will turn into a gamma squeeze. It will. So you guys do your voting? Have you guys done all your are you guys going to do your voting? I hope so, because we need everybody to vote, okay? You'll get an email, or you'll get your paperwork. I got paperwork last time, okay? It's just a revote, like the same as last time, okay? And a substantial amount of people didn't. Okay, that's what the statistics came back, which is pretty sad. Okay, you want to vote, because we need to crush this ghost share, synthetic share stuff. Okay, and that will help us all out. What's the volume right now? Good question. Thank you. It's at 17.64 right now. Isn't that awesome? And we're only at, it's only been open 31 minutes. Like, that is a quarter more than we've seen in the last month. Okay? Or no, I'm going to correct that. Sorry, not in the last month, in about the last 2 weeks. Because we had one really good day there before it went. And we know what happened there. Wana. That's what happened. Wana sold all their shares out. Well, not all of them. They still hold some, I think. Okay. So, and I'm going to and we've already turned over 4.0% of the shares out there. Okay. Not the shares that are held. I want to be clear on that. Okay. Because you can't start selling shares. Well, they do anyways. And thank you sorry, I have to get closer. Mary, welcome. I haven't seen you on here before. Welcome, Mary. Hopefully you had a good weekend, and welcome to the Wolf Pack. We were just going over some stuff about the sell limits there, to take your sell limits off. The high limit and the low limit, because you don't want to all of a sudden go, say, for a coffee or go out for lunch, and all of a sudden you get a message on your phone, all of a sudden your shares all sold on you. Right? And you're like, you're just heading into a squeeze and you lost all your stuff. And you try to buy back in, it just doesn't happen. It won't work in your favor. And we will be sending an SOS out. When it does squeeze, it'll be saying SOS squeeze, and that's all. It's going to short video. And the only way you can receive that is hit the subscription button, because I don't know how to get a hold of you if you don't, right? So, and we're going to jump around here. Let's cover a couple other different things here. Let's take that off there. Let's get that off there. There we go. So I'm going to jump over to GME here for a bit. As this channel, we do cover everything. Okay, we do cover any stock, and if you guys want me to cover, even including you, it's May. I'm sorry, May. It's not Mary. So rude. May. I'm sorry about that. I can't see from this distance, and I got a glare coming off that light there. So yeah, correction on that name. I try not to do that. So we are on GME right now, which is GameStop. It is a software company. They sell video games and consoles and all that kind of stuff. They're sitting at 181.39, 2.60%. Okay, and yeah. If you want me to cover anything else, just drop it. I'm scanning the scanner right now. I'm just scanning the scanner right now to see if there's any good buys anywhere on the market right now. I am watching AMC. It is at 7.70% at $13.01. Don't worry, I don't take my eyes off of that. But I'm going to go back over there because there's nothing else interesting right now. There isn't actually. The whole market, there's nothing. I'm green in one couple spots. So do you know what that tells you? The whole market's tanking except these two stocks. Okay, AMC and GME are pretty much the only ones. Oh, and then we got NIO, right, which is a EV company out of China, I think it is. Yeah, it's China. And it is at $34 and 34.34%, and they're in the green at 0.82. Nothing compared to this. So we did dip below the $13 mark, which is, it's fine. We take what we get, right? It all compiles at the end of the day. This is going to be a very interesting week. You might want to stick around and tune in on this one. Oh, that's so good, that coffee. Sorry about that. If you all I know my subscribers that are the ones that come on every day, they know about my neck. I have all steel plates. It's all titanium plates in my neck. So it's raining out here today where I live. It just started. We had a beautiful weekend. It was, oh man, it was crazy. But it's just starting to rain right now. So that I can feel that. Oh, we're just touching, we're bouncing around at $12.99, $13 range. It is good. And I would love to draw some lines on here today for you, but I, like an idiot that I am, I don't know what I did. I was doing software upgrades last night, and somehow I stretched this screen out, and I don't want to. Yeah, see, I'm not going to mess with it. I got to shrink it back down. I'm not an IT guy. I'm just a normal person. Same with stock. I'm just a normal person. I'm just doing this for a while. And yeah. Let's go from there. Let's take it from there. I can't discuss too much on that stuff because it's illegal, right? I can't start disclosing that kind of stuff. You got to watch yourself nowadays. It's really bad. But if you contact me by email, I can talk to you about more in depth, okay? Just not broadcasting it. And you can contact me at any time at cstrades101gmail.com anytime you want, you guys. And a lot of people do, right? It's all good. And if we start off a relationship, friendship there, I'll always add you to Facebook, okay? And we can do chat. And I don't charge for that, okay? Notice there's no super chats or anything like that on here or anything like, yeah. I try not to operate like that, right? You guys, I want you to put your money into AMC. I don't want you spending it on me. And that's what I don't understand. A lot of people will give, it's nice. It's a nice gesture, but a lot of these guys should turn their tips off on this stuff and tell their watchers to put the money into AMC. Like, why would you give, like, some of these guys get $500? Well, yeah, that would be nice. I would love it. Yeah, I'll take your money. But it doesn't make sense. Why wouldn't you put that money into the shares and help out everybody? That's the way I look at it. I just look at things different, right? As you know, right? My dog I just took in for heart surgery last week. Oh yeah, AMC's doing awesome. She came out of surgery. If there's a couple new people on here, my dog had a little baby puppy. I had her on here live. Had a hole in her heart. Okay, she had to go in for a heart plug, and it was it was $10,000, right? Which I didn't even bat an eye. I was like, what? But yeah, she came through. They couldn't get through. They didn't cut her open. They actually went through her back legs, but she was too small. It narrowed the nails, so they had to go through her groin. But it turned out good. It's all awesome. So we'll just leave it there. I don't want to get too graphical because I have a weak stomach and I don't want to gross people out. Okay. Oh wow, we're hitting at $13.09. Yes. 8.444% in the green. Do. That's so nice. Wow. So we know what happened in here, eh? We know what happened in there and in here. Wanna from China. They definitely didn't want their shares, but those got scooped up big time. That actually didn't work in our favor. But okay. Let's get over some Doge here. What time is it? It's 7:09. I'm just gonna see what's going on here. 0.33, 8.35. Perfect thing to paper hand. Perfect stock to paper hand. That's what I do with this. You do whatever you want. This is something that trades all the time, and it's just revolving door. You can make a substantial amount of cash. It's like a money generator. Okay, it's just that you gotta set on something like this. I set my sell limits, so it just trades and then it cashes out. Like I don't even have to watch it. I do because that's one of my hobbies. But what I do is I just set the sell limit. Like right now, I'd set it right now. If I bought in right now, I'd set it like 45 cents. Okay, which would be a substantial amount. That'd be like 20% right? So that's pretty good for a day trading. So when it hits that, it just cashes out, right? And then you just go back on there, and when it dips down where you want, you rebuy. It cashes out, and it just builds up, right? That's the trick on that one. That's how you make cash. It's called a money generator. I use crypto. I don't mess with any other cryptos except Doge. Okay, Dogecoin. I just don't. I have my own reasons. I'm not gonna go on about it on here. I just don't want to pee a bunch of people off, right? I just have my own opinion on things, right? So I'm here to make money. Okay, I'm here to make money, and I'm here not to screw people over. That's what and to try to get transparent information out there. Okay, so we are on a good go here. With AMC, we're at $13. Wow, $13.20. We are 9.26% in the green. Yes. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful. See, I told you we might bang off that $14 today. Oh, wouldn't that be good? So let's I'm going to be transparent here for newcomers. We do own two different lots of shares. The Wolfpack is my club. As you know, some other people have different names. I just referred to the Wolfpack instead of CS Trades 101, right? That's my company, but we just call ourselves the Wolfpack, and we'll be having shirts and all that stuff come out there, right? That's just down the road right now. I'm more into power trading on this right now. So let's get into this. And what I was going to say is we own two different lots of shares on this. We own one mount at about 180 shares at $8.20. Okay, 23 cents to be exact. And the other one is at $14 and some chump change. Okay, I think that 14.70 or 14.35, I think. So we have actually lost money. That's why I'm transparent. I tell what I lose, okay? And I'm proud of it, okay? I'm proud of to not lie, okay? I don't lie about stuff like that because people do go in the red, and there's no such thing. I don't like getting out there and, oh yeah, I made this, and it's all green, it's all green, it's all green. No, you can't do that to people. It's not fair. That's how people put money into things that they don't want to do or sell by accident, by somebody fear-mongering them. It's not cool. I bought it. It was at $20. Next day it went down to 14, or the next couple days it went down to 14. I thought I was doing good. And then it tanked, and I lost over 3/4 of my money. Okay, I had 800 and some odd shares. I lost over $13,000 out of 15 grand. Okay, and then it went back up, and we're almost going to break par again. Okay, so that's how trading works. If you're down that low, don't sell. If you can hold it, why would you throw your money away if you could hold it, right? But everybody has their own thing. I'm not saying don't sell, okay? I'm just saying, even with this, if you are comfortable with and you bought it at whatever, you do whatever you want, okay? I'm not going to get on here. I'm not going to be that guy that tell you not to sell, okay? You can do whatever you want. But I have a system set up that will help you if you don't want to sell I have warning signals that are going to be going out, okay, to help you with this, okay? And you do your own DD on that, right? These are just, I'm sending you guidelines, right? So we are AMC, $13.08. We are 8.07%. And this is beautiful stuff, okay? We are on a Monday. Mondays usually don't do good on the stock market in past history. If you look over to my portfolio on the left side, that tells you why. Oh, I just figured out the screen. I have it on, oh man, I have it set too high up. Oh my God. Oh, Mr. Simpson, what are you doing? What are you smoking this morning? Okay, so we're just going to set this here. That's what happened. There we go. Okay, good. Wow, that was hurting. I figured that out. Okay. See, I'm not an IT here, but I'm so happy I fixed it. Oh, wow. Let's take one look at BB here, because we own BB. We own about $5,000 worth of it. And BB is ticker symbol BB, and it is BlackBerry. It's at $10.30. Oh, that's so bad. $2.65 in the red. Okay, this company is way undervalued. I say that this is a $40, $50 stock. It will be in the next couple of years. They're into cybersecurity. They have, up in Canada, they have the government, their disability programs, all their EI, all their government checks, all their stuff like that is guarded by BlackBerry Cyber, okay? And that will drive the price up. Volvo Group, they partner with Volvo Group to do non-human drivable machinery. Okay, they already have the software built for it. They will start releasing it. They just got to cut some red tape through the laws. Okie dokie. Do. If you want me to cover anything, drop it. Drop it in the chat. Hey, wow. This is going up. This is one right here. This is lithium battery company. You know the car batteries in your car? They hold these, they make these batteries lithium now instead of like maintenance-free ones. Okay, Awesome. I think it's 3,000 cranking out with 3,000 uses, which is insane amount of time, right? Charges or whatever, cycles. And that's crazy. I want to put some in my RV. I'm watching ticker symbol right now, so don't worry. I got my eyes on AMC. Nothing's happened. It's just bouncing at $13.01. Excuse me. I bought this at, what did I buy this at? 80 cents, and it went down again. So I lost money in there too, and I have about $5,000 worth of this too. So I'm very transparent. I'm in the negative about 20% of my portfolio right now. Okay. So I know I'm not happy about it, but it happens, right? I do not sell anything unless I have to. Okay. Why would you sell something that you lost on, right? So I'm very transparent on that. We are down in our portfolio, but we're ahead in a lot of areas. We're only down 20%. Okay. So that fluctuates. As you can see, that's why, right? Especially on a Monday. Mondays are one of the worst trading days out there. Okay. That's why this little baby's looking good today. AMC, Entertainment Holdings, $13.09. We're bouncing around at $8.34 between that and 28 cents. Percent. Correction. That's what happens when you don't have your coffee. Eh? We've been on 51 minutes, 52 minutes now. We usually only stay on for an hour. Okay. So we will be wrapping it up in the next little bit here. We're very short on this. I do have other stuff to do. I am making another podcast for you guys today. I'm working on it. I've already got the thumbnails already built. So it's a very good one. It's just a warning. If you've already watched the warning, it's a warning about your sell limits and all that stuff. I got to get that out there again until the squeeze is over, and I'll stop talking about it. Okay. We are getting very close right now. Okay. To potentially a gamma squeeze because the option's expiring, okay, and a squeeze, short squeeze, okay, and then one can turn into the other. A gamma can kickstart a squeeze, okay, a full squeeze, okay, just so you know that. Okay, enough of that. Shut up, Cameron. Shut up. You're like a friggin' broken record. So let's draw some lines on here now that we figured this out, okay? Did we figure this out, or am I being a moron again here? Nope. I still got it broken. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll fix it after. Oh. Okay, I know that might be hard to see with you guys on smartphones. Sorry about that. I'm going to do some stuff here. I got to draw some stuff in here, guys, because I want to know. I wonder if that'll transfer when I go like that. It does. Oh, okay. I'm just going to be doing that on, I want to do that on the candle wick on the upper side. Okay. This is just for my own. $14.50 is the line that we want to get to today. Okay. So this is where we want. Once we smash through this $14.50, it's going to be a breeze. Okay, that's the problem we're having, is this $14.50 right there. Okay. Actually, I'm going to put it on this side. That's what we want to get through. We want to hit that line right there. This is the goal today. Okay, if we can get through that, we are doing freaking awesome. We're setting ourselves up for a good go. Okay, so that's what I want to see. I'm going to lock this because I do want to see that happen. Okay. Okay, we're hitting at volume right now. We're hitting at 26.74 million. Wow. AMC, good for you. Good for you. It's slowing down. That's why it's getting a little bit of a dip, but it's okay. It's okay. We've already set our establishment, right? And we are We are sitting at 5.95% of the stock that's been turned on, that's open on the market right now. Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? Wolfpack, just drop me a line on chat. And we got a small group on here today. I noticed that. I guess a lot of people the long weekend and stuff, right? It's all good. It's all good. Thanks, guys, for coming in anyways, the guys that are on here. Yeah, and I know a lot of people are unpacking their trailers and stuff. I didn't go away this weekend. I usually do. Oh, the other thing, too. In case this baby does squeeze and I'm out camping, I ordered myself a cell phone booster. It was $599, but it boosts at like 50 decimals, which is huge. And then there's a backup for satellite on it. So I got it covered. I can actually go out and I will be doing my stocks out of my fishing boat. I'll be sitting in my boat on my laptop, okay, doing stocks for you guys live. Okay, because I do my morning fishing when I'm out camping. So what I'll do is just stick downrigger on, and I'll be out there, and I'll show you. I'll show you guys the lake. It's so beautiful where we go. So I'll be out there fishing and out that stuff, and I'll take you guys. There's a good lookout there. I'll take you up, and we'll go do some stock trading up on the top of this butte. It's called a knoll. It's way up on the top of the hill. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'll give you guys some live footage. Okay, we'll go do some stock trading. I'll get better signal up there to the satellite. Okay. And we'll be transmitting, and yeah, I don't know the video feed, what's going to happen, so we'll play it by ear, and if it gets bad, I will drive back into town to do it, or well, to the cell tower, the closest cell tower, okay, because you guys are my number one priority. Okay, $12.95 right now, and it is 7.20. Okay, we are banging around here. We want the give me a second here. Sorry, I'm sticking my face right in your face here. Yeah, good. That's a good symbol. We want this line to cross over here. Want the AM. We want it to switch. We want those two to cross, okay? The EMA and the MA. Those are indicators. You can use them as a guideline, but they're not stone, okay? It's just an indicator. There we go. Come on, baby. Yeah, we had a crossover there. We need a little bit more volume here. It's slowed down. That's what's happening. We're fighting tooth and nail on this one today, guys. We ran out of steam a little bit. Oh, here we go. A little bit of steam. There we go. There we go. Nice. Nice. Nice move. Nice move. Nice move. Right there. That's the other one. Right there. That'd be nice to bang through that right there. $13.09. Come on. We keep on getting pushed back down. We got a good support level here, though. There's a good support level here we've made. Oops. It pushed me off of that. Sorry about that. Getting a little crazy with the thumb thing here. But look, I just want to show you the past history of this, okay? Look at what's gone on with this. Look at this. Okay, over history. Over time, okay? This is just one minute chart. This is the paper trading chart, okay? That's it. A lot of paper traders will use the 1 minute, okay? So you know, a little bit of education there. So, looks like we got a bull happening here, forming. If we get a bull and a handle here, that is an indicator of a bullish market, a bullish trend, okay? So that will most likely will push. Or if we get a double shoulder or a head and shoulder, that's usually a sign too. With 2 touch points, that is a good sign too. Come on. We're doing good though. I'm not complaining at all. Not complaining at all. Come on, baby. Bust through my temp line there. That's why I got that temporary line at $13.10. Ah, we did it. Yes. We got momentum now. We're gaining momentum. We're fighting like tooth and nail. It's the bulls and the bears going right now, for sure. For sure. Hedgies are losing houses today. That's quite a bit, 8.62%. Depends on what they bought in on. Plus, there's more percentage than that. There's a multiple stuff. Depends on what they borrowed it at too, right? There's a whole bunch of factors that are put in. We don't know what they bought it. We don't know any of their. We don't know what they're doing, right? We have no clue. I know what I'm doing. I'm holding. Okay. That's called a hammer. Okay, just so you know what that is. Exactly what it looks like. There's two. Oh, it switched. It's not a hammer anymore. That's weird that switched after it was done playing that action. Weird. That's weird. Maybe it wasn't transmitting. Maybe it took a while to transmit. Maybe it was lagging a bit. Okay, we're getting a crossover here of the MA, or the EMA is crossing over the MA. I think. I can't read that. I got to switch these. Oh, yeah, the EMA crossed over the MA, which is a sell. It's a it's a sell indicator, okay? It doesn't mean sell. Don't sell. I'm just telling you what it means, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to have another look over at GME here. GME. Not that much volume at all. Holy crow. I'm surprised that they're holding that level, right? Nothing. It's stagnant. Stagnant amount of volume. 1.06 million for this trading day in 1 hour, 28 minutes. Wow. And what they've currently turned over 1.50. Doge. Ooh. Yeah, it's doing pretty good today. Oh man, I wish that platform would work so I could buy some more. It was down to like 0.28 there like yesterday during the day, and I was like, oh man. That's when I tried to open up that new trading platform and CoinDesk. I don't know what it was called. They have millions of those stupid little friggin' things. And I don't trust them, so I did a lot of research on Reddit. I did a lot of Coinbase. That's what it's called. I can't get the friggin' thing to work. So I'm having problems with that. I guess they're going to lose lose me as a client. So I'm going to try contacting them one more time today. But anyways, Doji's sitting at 0.3324 and it is 8.54 in the green today. We're going to bounce off this because we just touched down on this stuff, okay? I don't mind covering stuff if you guys... May is got her eyes on that. I know. Exactly. I know. It's doing good. I'm very, very, very bullish on this today. Very bullish. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay? These are the days that you're going to look back and you're going to go, wow. When you look back, you're going to look back and you're going to go, remember those days? Remember all the stress? Remember all that stuff? Remember what Cameron said? And you're going to go, wow, that's crazy. And these questions you ask, because I save all this stuff. All this stuff's saved in my archives, right? It will be forever. As long as YouTube's out there, this stuff will be saved. And as long as the channel goes. Like, who knows how long this channel is going to go for, right? I'm going to keep it going forever. But who knows? Maybe I might get kicked off by YouTube. Who knows? You never know. That's the stuff you can't control in life, right? And once you realize that, life gets easier. It took me till I was in my at least 35 to realize that. Okay, volume. We are sitting at, wow, almost 30 million already. Within about 5 minutes or about 5 minutes, we're going to be at 30. We're at 29.58 million right now. And we've already overturned 6.57%. Sorry, I'm laughing because that's unreal. That is unreal. It did slow down there for a while though. It totally, like, that was weird. It stopped, and then see, we did have a cup. I mean, sorry, we had a cup, not the cup and handle. Okay, I call this a cup. Okay, See, if we would have had it go up here, it would have been a cup and hell. But these are signs for a bullish, okay? Not bearish, okay? Here we're gonna have a little bit of side action here. The two lines just crossed over again. The indicators. I just want to get to that freaking. It's in power hour is going to be very interesting today. Very interesting. I just want to point something out too, about them, what they're trying to do, and the algorithm is not picking it up because I think they reset some stuff. I think the SEC set some stuff up here because this used to affect us quite a bit. It's not really doing that much now. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this chart here. Look at this. Now you want to explain why it's doing this, why it's up so high, everybody? Doesn't make sense, okay? What they're doing is not working as much as what they want. Okay? We're going to get a little bit aside. We need some more consolidation. It'll drive us up to the next level, okay? Beautiful picture though. That's funny, eh? You know that picture of that bear that you have on your icon? I got the same bear right here. It's crazy. If you want me to go grab it and show you, I can. My grandmother gave it to me before she passed away from cancer. Actually, no, she didn't give it to me. I bought it for her, and then she passed away, and of course I kept it. But yeah, it's I got the same one there. It doesn't have a blue shirt. It has a little handkerchief tie that I put around it. But yeah, it's hilarious. It looks like the same one. Yeah, it does look that. What is it? Patterson the bear? I can't remember. I'm getting too old. I'm forgetting all this, and I don't have kids, so that doesn't help either. I have step kids, but not. Well, I guess they're kids, but they were growing up before I met my wife. So yeah, look at this. Look at this go. We just hit 30 million shares sold. Or transferred around. Sorry. Wow. Beautiful stuff. Sorry, you're getting a bit of a pause from me. It's just I like to watch stuff for a bit before I say anything. I'm getting older in my old age, And GME is, I'm just checking the scanner out right now. The other one. It is 180.32. They're actually doing pretty good. They're locked in at 2% in the green right now. That is pretty good for that one right now. Those are expensive. They're getting really expensive, those shares. Look at this. Wow. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Put us up to my line. 13.20.24 is what I would like today. We gotta smash through that previous tested level. This tested level with this top wick here, I want to see that go through there. I know it's not a substantial number to a lot of people, but for me it is, okay? Because I know how it comes afterwards, right? And then it's the 1450 mark. Actually, just checking some stuff out there. Here we go. Here we go. May your good luck. Every time you mention volume, it just pours in here. Oh, wow. Look at it come in now. Oh, so some people must have bought in here. That's what happened. Or in here. Right here. In this area right here. Because it takes a while for it to it's not instant. Look at this. We're going to hit 9%. Come on, keep volume, keep on coming in. There we go. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But look at this. It doesn't make sense. This is BS. BS. Just crazy, crazy BS. Oh, look at this. This is going to stagnate us a bit. 35,000 shares. It's not going to really do anything to us. Well, we're going to hit 10% here. Right on that one candle. That's a nice candle. There we go. But we're about, it doesn't matter. Whoa, look at the volume coming in here. Holy crow, look at those candles bounce. Come on, drive it up to the moon. It's trying. And we're not, it's rejecting. It's rejecting it. Come on. Yeah, it's rejecting the downs, the negative. Yeah, we just rejected it. Yes. Yes. That's really rare. Did you see how long that wick was and it just drove it right up to the moon? That's what we want to see, Wolfpack. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Beautiful. Even if it ends in a red, we fought like heck. Like even if it locked in right now and bounced over to the next chart, because these are all done in time segments, right? When it runs out of time, it moves over, which is fine because we need the consolidation. That's why we got. Yes. Oh my God, we got a good group of buyers here today. Look at that. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. You guys that just came on, the guys that are on this channel today that are on the podcast, you guys are good luck. I wore my good luck shirt too. I don't wear black. This is brown, dark brown. I don't wear black. There's nobody, we're not in the red deal. Holy shit. I'm glad I got that live. I'm going to play that back later on Snapshot, that one. That's a twit move for sure. That's a 3-second twit move. Beautiful. That was beautiful. We got huge volume coming in right now. Institution or something must have bought. Sorry, I'm going to keep my mouth shut here. I'm going to watch this for a second. Wow, we locked in at that. At $13, we just smashed right through my line. So what we want to do is get to, ladies and gentlemen, we want to get to the 1450 today. How many shares are, oh man, 810, 811 shares. That's a lot. That's a pretty good dump. Dumping isn't like buying it. I mean, dumping it in like buying into the market. I had to watch my terminology there. It could be taken in two different ways. Wow. Wow, look at the volume coming in here. It's just rejecting look at it, it's testing it. It's just slamming it. It has slowed down a little bit though compared to down over here. But it's all good. It's all good. Like we'll take what we can get. We need a little bit of consolidation here. Oops. What am I doing now? All right. Coffee break. Coffee break. Everybody watching, go have a coffee break. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this angle. Like, look at this. That is nuts. Look at just today. Is that from just today? Yes, it is. Whoa. Holy crow. Look at this. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at these consolidation levels. Look at that. That's perfect. That's picture perfect right there. That is, oh wow, man. This is good stuff. Oh my God. Very nice. Very nice. I'm very happy with today. If we could do this for the tomorrow, I think tomorrow and the next day are going to be a little bit different. You guys are going to be very, very shocked in what you see. Okay. I just don't want to talk about it because I don't want to put a curse on it, but you'll know what I mean. You'll be like, Cameron, how'd you know that? I know some stuff. Okay. I just can't legally talk about it on here because it's not factual information, right? I only talk about factual information on here. Okay. We're going to blow it back up here. There you go. Just going to check everything else. GME is at, 180.35. It's at 2.01%. Wow, wow, this is nuts. Nuts. Well, we are over our limit. We are over our limit, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm going to stay on. I'm going to stay on for you extra here. I like I said, I got a podcast I'm working on for you. I just got to build a thumb because I do everything. I don't get other people to do it. A lot of people send it out to ITs to get their thumbnails made and stuff. I don't. Or to get it edited. I don't. I do it all myself. That's why once in a while I noticed that my video feed last time was my voice was about half a second behind, and it took me 2 weeks to figure it out. So I did it finally. But sorry about that. I really didn't know it was doing it until I watched Hey brother, what's up? Don't jinx it. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Don't. Hey, are you by any chance my subscriber 666? No, I think I'm wrong. I just, the way you said jinx, and yeah, just okay. Because one of the he's a good guy. I really like that, his little comment there he put. Because that can be taken two different ways, right? Subscriber 666. It could be bad luck or it could be good luck, right? It's the deal breaker. But I'll always remember, no, it's not you. Sorry, it's not. I won't disclose his name on here because he's not on here. Yeah, I knew it wasn't. But how you doing? How you doing, man? How you doing? And guys, if I'm not looking at the camera all the time, it's just that you should see my setup here. It's I got you guys covered. I got 2 scanners. I got a laptop, and a bunch of stuff. That's why I'm looking over here, because that's where my video. That's where YouTube is. YouTube's over here. Reddit's over here. Yeah, I stay away from 666. Yeah, it's not. Depends on the person. Some people say it's lucky. Some say same as the 13th floor. You know, on elevator. A lot of people won't get off on the 13th. They take it out of some elevators. Some elevators have it, right? It's weird. Same as hospitals. I think there is no 13th floor in a hospital. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah. Welcome to the channel, by the way. Yeah, it is good stuff. Yeah, it is. We're doing really good again today. I'm just going to reiterate this. We're getting a little bit of consolidation here, but look how flat that is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can't get any better than that. Okay, it's not going up, down like this. It's busting. They are trying everything they can to screw us over right now. Okay, and it's not happening. Like, look at this. Equal wicks. Like, look at that. That's crazy. There's a spin top. Oh, no, it's not. I'm lying to you. The candle wick's too high on the top. Sorry. I try to educate for newcomers along. I'll try to mention what symbols mean and stuff. Not that I'm trying to dumb you down a bit. Okay, I throw that stuff out there because I like to teach. Okay. Yeah. 1328. Yeah. Let's do this. So I think we'll be hitting 10% for the first time here. Right? There. Oh, come on. It's like flirting with us or something. Like just, Well, actually, I had to watch the host say that word. That can be taken in different ways. Yeah. Rewind, Cameron. Rewind. And I will have, if you guys want to hit the sub button, if you haven't already, like I said, I will be sending an SOS out when this baby does hit the squeeze. You will be getting a message from me. SOS, squeeze. Okay? And then take it from there. I can't tell you buy, sell, and there'll be one when it starts going downwards. You're going to get another one that I will be selling live on here. You guys do what you do. I legally can't tell you what to do, and I can't legally, but I can tell you when it squeezes. I can legally tell you that. Okay, because squeeze, for one thing, is a slang, and there's a whole bunch of legal. I've already looked into it. I'm allowed to say that. I can't tell you to buy, though, but I can say squeeze. Okay? Or squeeze, hold, or whatever you want to do. But you guys have the power in your own hands, okay? But if you don't get the subscribe button, you don't get the text, okay? Yeah, look at this. Another, wow, look at that. That's so beautiful. I would like somebody to send me a screenshot. I've never seen a consolidation like that before. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, that messes it. Never mind. That I didn't see the third one or the fourth one. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? This kind of messed it up, but I'll take it. It's a green. I'll take it. I'll take it all day long with green. Okay, don't worry about this. Nobody panic. Okay, this is it's, I'm not going to say good, but it's nothing to, don't worry about it. Okay, you need to have some downplay on a stock. You have to. Okay, and then what it will do is when this hits out, it's going to start consolidating and drive back up. Okay, we got too much volume coming in here, right? That was that big 40,000 that dumped. Okay, what it's going to do is, yeah, see, it's fighting. Yeah, see, we got too much volume coming in here. It's fighting like hell. It's all good. I'm not worried. See, this could be, you know how wanna dump that, those shares. Okay, Vancy. Okay, better to sell on Weibo for sure. For sure. Robinhood won't let you sell. They're gonna lock the platform out again. Oh, guys. Oh, no, don't transfer your stuff from Robinhood to Weibo right now. It takes a week. If we had a squeeze tonight or after hours, see, there's no circuit breakers on after hours. This, I've seen a lot of stuff like do baby squeezes after hours. The rules are totally different. There's a lack of volume at after hours. Like you and me we can trade after hours if we have offshore account. There's ways around it, but the average person will not take that much energy in to do that. See, I told you to take a recovery here a bit. See, we need that. We have to have that. I know it sounds weird and you're like, you're a bit of an asshole, but no, I'm just telling you the truth, right? You have to have sideways action and consolidate. And what it does is consolidates, builds up more volume and drives it to the next level. Okay? It has to happen, or else it just wouldn't. You have to have negative for the positive. Okay? It doesn't. I know it doesn't probably make sense, and you think, yeah, it is what it is. Leave that one alone. Okay. Yes. So back to this. Do not trade your accounts right now from Robinhood or to Weibo or to other different trading platforms, because you could get caught in transition, and what they'll do is lend your shares out, okay? Because they're in transition, and that could screw you, okay? Watch what you do. Just don't be trading anything over anymore. Like, yeah, don't do a transfer over from one pile to the other right now. Wait for this thing to be over, and then you could, and hopefully you don't get the platform. Oh, if you had that happen to you, we have a lawsuit going. I just go back to my last video, go into playlist and look for hedges get nuked. Okay, there is a lawsuit right now. If you were on Reddit and you were trying to sell or buy in the January or February, the dates are on there, and you couldn't, you are eligible for the class action lawsuit, and they're paying some good money right now. Okay, it might take a bit to get the money, but yeah, if that affected you, and you don't need to prove it because your bank locks that stuff. It's time stamped. Okay, when you were logged into your bank, it time stamps that, like TD and all that stuff. TD's involved, Ameritrade, Robinhood. There's I think 42 of them. Okay, so look into it, dig into that, and the law firms down below in the links, not on this video, on that video, and help yourself. I got all that information for you guys. It took me a while to find all that information, so it's there. You guys go make yourself some money. I'm enrolled, right? I'm enrolled. I already got a cash settlement. I can't talk about it. My rules are a little bit different, Canadian rules, so I already did get a settlement from TD Bank up here. I can't, that's all I can say, right? But they paid me out on the phone, okay, into my trading account if I wouldn't go public, because they know I have a channel, right? They know it. I told them that, right? So they wanted me not to say anything about it, but that's all I have. I'm illegally allowed to talk about that. I just can't disclose anything else, numbers and stuff. But the other lawsuit's totally different. I can talk about it, okay? So yeah, help yourself. Go make yourself some cheddar, right? And just, if you weren't on the app, don't say you were, because they will find out, especially when it goes to court. I don't want you guys to get charged with fraud. They will come after you, okay? So hi to everybody on Reddit. Wall Street Breakers, there's a link down below. We are affiliated with them. We're partners now as of last week. So if you want to go over there, check it out. It's pretty good. You can join for free. You can also buy different tiers. Go check it out. It's I'm boasting it because it's part of me now, right? But we are $13.25. Yeah. look at this go. Didn't I call it? See, look at the pattern. Like I'm just trying to educate, and sorry if I'm not making you guys feel stupid here. Okay, consolidation. Remember what I said? It has to consolidate to drive to the next level. They consolidate. We're going to the next level. How about that, eh? But we want to bust out of my level. We want to get past this. This is, of course, the first line of resistance. Okay, this is line of resistance. I'm throwing some re-education out here. This is support. Okay, these are candlesticks down here. This is actually the true. You can mount it off two different ways. So I know you guys know that, but just for newcomers, okay? I like to educate along the way. If that would have gone to another green one, this would have been three soldiers. That's what that's called, okay? A red with three greens is called three soldiers. Oh, and weekends we do schooling. If you go back in my archives under playlists, there's 6 videos in there now. Every weekend I release a video on how to do stock market trading and what the symbols mean. But I might stop doing that because I got some negative feedback on that. So if you want to go into cstrades101@gmail.com, drop me your handle there and I will look over it and tell me what you think. Do you want me to continue with the schooling on the weekends, the one class, or do you want me to just kibosh it and do nothing? Okay, because I don't mind kiboshing it. It gives me a free weekend. So at the end of the video down below is the description for my links. Excuse me. Okay, we're at $13.24. Yeah, things are getting crazy now. Oh man, the CS Trades 101 imaginary line, it didn't make it, but it's all good because we're gonna do it now. I like it when it goes. That's cool when it does that, eh? Wow, we're gonna hit 10. This is the first time we hit 10%. Oh no, I'm lying. I'm full of crap today. Just full of poo-poo. No, we hit here. What was that? The highest today was 1331, so that would be about 12%, 11%, I think, roughly. Here we go. We're gonna smash that right now. Watch this. Yeah. Oh. Yes! 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 Wow, we got a new line here, guys. We just did it. We friggin' just did it. Yes! We opened it. Wow, we're a full dollar above when we opened. $12.36. We are exactly it went down now. We were exactly $1. $1 change in the market. That is awesome. Here we go. We're going to hit $14 today, guys. Oh, wow. I better watch. I'm going to give myself a frigging heart attack. Drop me a chat, guys. Thanks for the last one, Picaz. That's cool. I like your handle there, bud. That's cool. That's awesome. Obviously, you keep it real. I can tell. Don't worry, that's our slogan on this channel. Keep it real. Wolfpack. Okay, that's in case you're new here. Okay. Wow, 38, eh? Did it again. As I was taking a sip out of my coffee. Okay, might have a little bit of I'm just blown away. This is crazy stuff on a Monday. On a Monday. This doesn't happen on a Monday that often. And GME is sitting at 182. What it is, it's in the green right now, 2.95%. Okay, I'm not going to jump over there right now because things are a little bit actiony on here right now. I don't want to miss something good. I like it when it goes right like up. I love that. That's what I stock trade for, man. It's like punching a hedgie in the head. You know what I mean? So, because that's what they feel on their end. They're like, oh, Corvette. Oh, there goes my last month's mortgage payments. Right? Oh, there goes my wife's Botox. Just like, seriously. Because the only thing that hits them is money, okay? They don't have morals. They don't. Not when they're drinking champagne on the 2008. Here we go. We just broke a new level. Holy shit. Oh my God. Go, baby. Go. Yes. Yeah, I just gotta keep it down. The whole neighborhood's gonna hear me. Yes, 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 yes. A little bit of a drawback. It'll bump up again. What are we hitting for volume here? I'm just gonna do some reading here. I'm so excited. I gotta take my hands. Wow, look at my hands just shaking here, man. It's like I'm ready to fight somebody or something. Wow, $11.2% we were hitting at. We're just bouncing in there, which is fine. We got new lines now. It's harder for them to drive us down once we hit those resistance levels and support levels when we set a new standard, eh? Just so you guys know that. Not saying it won't happen, but it's harder, right? The algorithm bounces off it, right? It knows. It's smarter than everybody thinks it is, right? So 13.40 AMC, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings, is trading at, we're in the green at 10.84. And it's been a good ride today. A very good ride. Very beautiful setup, beautiful continue volume. Everything's been beautiful today. So we have overturned 8.57 today. That's what we've overturned today. We are actually half an hour over what we usually do. I'm going to stay on here for you a little bit longer, and then I'm going to bounce out of here because I got to make another podcast for you guys. Yeah, I got a podcast. I'll be releasing it in about an hour. So, about an hour. About an hour, yeah. Oh, 11% again here. Wow. Okay, what were we at here? The high? 43. That's what we got to get past now. We'll do it right now. Watch this. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Yes, we just did it. We just did it. I don't care about a friggin' half a penny. We just did it. 11.20. 11.13, 17, 18, 122, 11.22%. We're at $13.45. We're climbing fast here, guys. We're going to hit that $14 probably by the end of the day. Very, 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 very happy right now. Okay, our volume just clicked over to 39 million shares in exactly 1.5 hours. Wow. Very impressive, AMC. Very impressive. And hey, you guys pat yourselves on the back because it's you guys. It's the retail investors that are doing this. And you guys know you're holding. And you guys know you're doing good. Okay? I know. Hey, brother. I know. I was bouncing in my seat. Oh, yeah, I had a little bit of a show going on here for you. It's all recorded, man. You can always play it back. Whatever. It doesn't matter. We're on a new... I know. Isn't that nice? We're having a good day today, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. Are you new here? Hit the sub button, man. I want to see you before. I like your style. I just like your attitude. You're like me. I can tell you don't put up with bullshit. I can just tell. Just the way you type, man. I would like you to join the Wolf Pack. It would be awesome. And anyone on there. I'm not discrediting anybody. Like I said, it's all good. Look at this go. We are going to hit $14 today at this frigging level. Look at this. We're smashing through all these different lines, all these different resistance lines. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Holy shit. I got to watch my language. I've already got one warning from YouTube. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm going to get sick. I'm so happy. I haven't been this happy in a while. I'm almost in the money on one of my lot of shares. I'm at $14 or something. Like, I always be transparent. I did lose a substantial amount of money. I lost $13,000 out of 15, and it's gone up. It went back. It went down. What is it, $7? It's gone up. Almost doubled. I'm almost par. I think I'm probably I'm $300 behind right now. That's it. Out of 15 grand. My wife is not happy with me, but I don't know. She doesn't really understand this stuff. That's just one lot. We owned another one, 187 shares. I added a couple to it the other day because I put everything I can. All my spare money goes in there. At $8.23. So that one's almost doubled. Pretty close. 3/4 anyways. Wow. Stepping stones will break my bones, but names will never hurt me. So look at this. Look at the stepping stones here, man. It's like going up the side of a pyramid. Just remember, it's hard for them to drive this down. Once it gets up and does a side consolidation like this, wow, my hands are swelling up. I'm so excited. My ring is so tight right now. I'm gonna have to take it off when I get off the phone or get off this pod with you. I think it's from holding my hand up there. I don't know. I'm just really excited right now. 12. Okay. I better broadcast that out there. AMC, $13.59 at $12.18 or 12.9%, 12.25%. Sorry about that. So we are going to be on Spotify. So if you're on your way to work or anything like that, you will be able to listen to CS Trades 101 on Spotify, on Apple and Android. Okay, we're working on the software right now. I just got to sign some deals. I got to look into it a little bit more. It's not 100%, but I'm working on it. Okay, so you will be able to most likely log on to Spotify and listen to myself, and I will be reading the chats out too. So I'll read the chats out so it's all audio. Okay, so if you are on your way to work and you don't want, or if you have data issues, you can always listen to us and it will not cook your data up. Okay. That was a recommendation by a Reddit group, actually. Somebody mentioned that. Well, why don't you do this? I'm thinking, because a lot of people have data issues, right? Just the way or they could be living in a spot where they can't get data, but you can always get enough data for audio, right? And I was like, that's a good idea. Well, how much does this cost? Because I'm investing everything into AMC, right? And I looked into it, and I think they might even pay us to do it. I don't know. So I'll look into it. I'm waiting for a couple of emails back. Wow, $13.47, 11.51%. I am very, very, very bullish today. This is crazy, crazy stuff. And this is on a Monday, guys. On a Monday! And happy Monday. And happy good weekend. Hopefully you had a good weekend. Okay, we're getting a little bit of, I'm not going to say sell-off. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not throwing that negative stuff out there. We're having some consolidation. Consolidation. There we go. I'm out of coffee. Uh-oh. I am going to bounce out of here, guys. We're going to wait until it turns green. I'm going to leave you on a green note here. I'm not going to leave you in the red. I don't do that to you. But I am going to do my spiel. I'm going to start my spiel here, though. Okay, guys? Because I only usually stay on for an hour. Okay? It's just I'm not working today, so I didn't mind doing that. I just got to get this podcast out there because I'm going to miss my window here. So you guys know that I'll be on tomorrow morning, and as long as until I get my dispatch, because I'm an operator, I operate a welder operator, I operate machinery, and I'm a welder too. So once the union calls me out for dispatch, my hours will change. I will be on pre-time. I will be, and you can always watch it when you get up. I will be doing, but it won't be live trading. What I'll do is I will get, it will be. It will be pre-market. It'll still be live trading. It's just that it won't be like this. But we will be discussing everything. We're going to be going through all of our news, all that stuff, what I'm going to do. I can't tell you what to do, but what I relate is wolf pack means that it's you. So that's the terminology. You just got to read between the lines with me or think outside the box. Wow, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. I really don't want to leave right now. But, so yeah, if you haven't hit already, you know the spiel. Hit the sub button down below. Pass it on to your friends because you're all going to get the SOS when we're in a squeeze. Gamma squeeze too, okay? When it goes into a gamma, this might kick into a gamma after hours, okay? Like I said before, they don't have any breaker rules. They have pretty much nothing for night trading. So that could potentially put us into a tailspin and kick us up. Okay, we just need a little bit of a lift like this, and then that'll it. The friggin' thing will take right off. Okay, because as soon as people see this going, people will start buying like hotcakes. Okay, because they know. Here we go, and we're getting close. We're at almost 12.5%. We just hit it, 12.5%. You guys that just logged on my channel are good luck. Okay, whatever happened, maybe it's the shirt. I'm not changing nothing today, except my underwear. So, look at this. We just smashed these. We smashed 3 different new levels today. We're not talking pivot points, okay? Just be clear on that. We're talking my stuff in my head. Okay, here is one of them right here I set up. I put my own stuff in my own head because I do my own analyzing. You know what I'm saying? Analyzation, because I do my own setups, my own charts. Okay, I do my own stuff. I don't go off of other people. I do my own stuff. It works very well for me. Okay, even though I make stuff up, I test it out and it works. I stick with it. I don't experiment, and I try not to go on other people's channels unless it's a learning session to learn off of other people. I try to teach myself off my mistakes. Okay, I don't like teaching myself off other people's mistakes. So yeah, we are going to hit that 13% here. We just did it. Wow. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. If you are a woman, no. Wow, that's nice, man. Nice. Nice. Okay. So I got to get in this feel. I keep on getting back into this. I'm diving in. So everything's down below. Okay. If you wanted to check out Wall Street Breakers, the link's down below. We're affiliated. All my videos are on there. There's a big crown besides CS Trades 101. It will say affiliated on the right side. There's a lot of good stuff in there about me. If you go into the playlist in my store here, my podcast store, sorry, in my podcast, the channel, you go into playlist, you can we're up to 6 videos now. It tells you stock symbol reading. Okay, it's very basic. So if it's dumbed down too much for you, there'll be more stuff coming out, maybe, because I got a little bit of negative feedback on that, saying that, what do you think, we're stupid? So I don't know, man. I'm just trying to help everybody out. Maybe I'm too big of a heart. I don't know. But look at this. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We just we just busted again. We're setting new highs right now, guys. Yep, there we go. 174, 1375. There we go. We just locked in a new, come on, which I don't care about that. We need a little bit of red to jow it to the next level. Okay, we got a crossover here. Yeah, we do have an indicator that just crossed over as a sell that they're selling, which they're not. It's just speed trading, guys. Oh, it's pulling apart. It's pulling apart. That's funny. I'm just laughing at the hedgies. You want those lines to pull apart. Okay, once it starts going in greener on the direction it picks, you want it to pull apart because it's locking in for a channel, right? You don't want it to go into red. You don't want the MA across with the EMA and then pull apart, right? Because that's the sell signal. If it pulls apart, that means that they're getting too much volume coming in, or volume in the negative way. Okay, here we go. Might get a couple red side by side. It's okay. It's okay. It's just showing a pattern. Down here, right here, right here, right here, right? Here's your buy if you wanted to buy in. It depends. Watch what you're doing, because I don't know. If you're new coming in this, obviously you want the stock. You can buy whenever you want. Like, it's not going to go any cheaper today, I don't think. I don't think it will ever get any cheaper as far as I'm concerned. I think this is it, guys. We're setting up for the big shwammy. Okay, so sorry about that. So all my information's at the bottom. Thanks for watching me here today. Wolfpack, keep it real. And all the new people out there, thanks. And I will be on tomorrow at Pacific Standard Time at 6:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be on at 9:25 Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you here tomorrow. All my information is down below. You can follow me on Twitter. It's right there on the screen. It's down below. You can write me an email. It's down below. You can use my broker if you want, wealthsimple.com. It's a trading platform. You can download it on your phone. If you use the referral, you have to put $100 or more. If you use that referral, you get yourself $10 free money. You can put that into stocks or you can squirrel it away. But the wolf pack, I would reinvest it right away, because why would you sit on money? It's not going to make anything in there. Just so you know, there's not high interest in there in their sitting account. You can also open a personal account. You can offer a TSFA. It's a tax-free savings account. Okay, the tax-free savings account is a good option, because if you put the money in there and you don't plan on taking out and you're just using it, flipping it and flipping it and flipping it, you don't get taxed until you pull it out. Okay, so if you're going to leave it in there for 15 years and just keep on building your retirement, perfect thing to do. That's what I do. Okay, keep it real, Wolfpack. Thanks for everybody for joining me here today. It was a slice, and I will see you in about 2 hours on my new podcast. Okay, over and out.